Okay, the first method that I will be going to show you to transcript subtitle is using Camtasia Studio. If you have Camtasia Studio installed on your computer, just open it up and click on Media and import media. Now I have this video and import it to Camtasia and just add it to the playtrack here by click add to the timeline playhead. Now if I play it,
if you have access to the
video
exercise
has no
files for this
subtitle
course,
yet.
you can download them to your
So I want to make a subtitle for this video. I just click on caption, CC here, and click speech to text. Click on this little icon there and click on speech to text. Now what will Camtasia will do, it will ask you to transcribe all the entire timeline or just the select media. Now in this case I want to transcribe all the entire timeline. So what will Camtasia do? It will transcribing your audio to text, which is an easy method for you to transcribe the audio to text file and make a subtitle for your video. Now the process of transcribing is done. What we will do, just check because this program will not transcribe it correctly or perfectly, like it will make some mistake. So like in this case I just play.
If you have access to the exercise files for this course, you can download them to your desktop as I've done.
It make a mistake here, then to as I have done here, correct? And then next time,
once you've downloaded those files, you can double click the folder.
Once you correct.
There you'll discover that our exercise files are grouped into folders based on the different chapters in the course. In
the course, so it will cut off here. So the next line is in order to view, not it all.
There you'll discover that our
now you can see here the press of the word is too long, so I just cut it and place in on the next timeline. Go to the next timeline and paste it image in this part.
In order to view the images in a particular chapter, you can simply open up the folder, or you may prefer to use a tool like Adobe Bridge.
Correctly. Next timeline.
In that way, you can navigate to a folder and view all of the images that we'll be using in that chapter. Now, if you don't have access to the exercise, in that way, you can navigate to a
It's correct.
Files, that's okay. You can still follow along by watching.
That's okay. You can still follow along.
Files, that's okay. You can still follow along by watching how I use the files, or you work on your own images as well. All right?
As well. All right. All right. Let's begin. You can correct the grammar correction. Now this is our subtitle is done.
If you have access to the exercise files for this course, you can download them to your desktop as I've done here.
Now our transcripting is done completely. All we need to do is just to correct the grammar and check it again, because the program might make a mistake. Now once I have done the transcribing and correcting the grammar error here, and we can export the subtitle. Just click on the letter icon here and export caption. I can save it in new folder and I name it subtitle as perfect correctly. This is one of the easiest method and fast and quick for you to transcribing video and make a subtitle here.